Sean, how was your weekend?
You what?
I'm sorry.
How was your weekend?
Oh, it was wonderful. I,
How did it go?
my son and daughter-in-law came over and we went swimming and barbecued. And they spent the night.
All right, so Mahia, here's another thing that the staff here have failed me at, right? First, y'all were going to teach me how to use an iPhone. Never happened. Second, y'all are supposed to be teaching me how to swim. Hasn't happened. But go forth. You know, I guess I'm out here in the cartoons, Mahia, I'm holding up 3 fingers, like 1, help me, 2, 3, I'm going down. You know, it's always great to have guests, but then I feel as though I have to make my house extra spotless. It has to be the guest clean pass test for me. Going through with the white gloves. Oh,
Actually brought all the food to barbecue and everything. It was like, oh, wow, this is different.
yeah, it's like, wow, he's adulting.
Yeah, you don't.
You know, I think I'm going to try this thing. They say they have those galvanized tubs that that people have been turning into a pool. And so I don't know. I may do that.
No, you don't want to do that, Judge. 'Cause
Okay. Why not?
those are used for horses, so don't get one.
I see everybody getting the galvanized tub. They put water in and they say it's warm in the summer, cool during the winter because of the material.
Have you ever touched it?
As long as you keep it clean.
Have you
No.
touched one? Like touch it, like with your skin?
No.
Okay, you wouldn't like it.
Okay. So Deputy Laura says she knows me and I wouldn't like it.
It looks cute.
Well, I'm just going to stick to the kiddie pool,
Yeah.
inflate it and go out there and splash.
Yes, Judge.
What about a hot tub? I was thinking about getting a hot tub and just not turning it on in the summer.
I don't know why. Here's my thing about hot tubs. It seems like it's just a petri dish. Am I wrong in that?
Judge, I'll get you a
Chlorine.
12-inch
All the
pool.
chemicals. Any water you get, you're gonna need to manage your chemicals, and that's a new job. I learned during COVID. It's hard. You'd have to hire somebody.
But if you get a hot tub, you get a pitcher of margarita.
Mhm.
and
If
you
only I
get
drank.
Nothing else.
So I'm gonna hire Deputy Laura. She said I'm gonna hire someone, and you know what the title of that Lifetime movie is gonna be? Because she needed her pool clean, the Stephanie Boyd story.
I'll get you a small one, Judge, because I don't want you to have an accident.
Yeah,
That story you told us about, stand up, Stephanie. After that, I'm like, no.
Okay,
It's
so
small.
here's the thing about that story. I mean, it was shocking. I'm trying to dip my toes in the pool. But you know what's so funny? When I went in that pool and the water pushed me in, because we were in Greece, it was some kind of, I don't know, it was flowing water, but it was a pool. I don't know what they were doing. So you got in it and I was just weightless for about 2 seconds. Then I went completely under. And then I came up. Next thing I know, Mom is calling Virginia. And she's like, what's going on with my baby? I'm like, I'm fine. No, you're not. Tell me the truth. And then my mom started screaming at everybody, why did y'all let Stephanie get in the pool? You know she can't swim. And then Virginia started screaming at her nieces, I told y'all not to let Stephanie get in the pool. And then Vashon, you know what my next question to my mom was? I called her and I called my hairstylist. What am I gonna do? Because I didn't have any products or anything. And my mom was like, what kind of shampoo do they have in the hotel? I said, I don't know. They have something with olive oil. She's like, baby, you'll be fine. But wash the chemicals out. So my hair survived. But Vashon, it was so freeing to have my afro. I'm about to show you those photos. Oh, it was great.
Judge, you get the part where stand up, Stephanie didn't come.
Oh, well, I did hear Virginia. You could hear underwater. And Virginia was like, Stephanie, stand up. And I did, and I was fine. But you know, everything happens for a reason. And you know why that happened? Because here I am, a grown woman. We go out on a catamaran and everybody is daring me to jump in that water. They're like, it's very salty because that water was sort of green. They're like, look, the 5-year-old has jumped off the boat and jumped in there. And I'm like, yeah, you guys have that, but I'll take a photo. So I took a photo of them in the water. They're like, Stephanie, come in. You can put floaties on. I'm like, no. So I would like to think if I didn't have that pool experience, it's vacation. You do crazy things on vacation, right? Yeah, I would have, I would like to think I wouldn't have jumped in, but I probably would.
I
Mhm.
think
But I still had enough fun.
Makings of another YouTube channel.
Enjoy this week because we don't get any.
Doing travel and trying things or saying, oh no, you try that.
And expand your celebrity. Really, we could get you a show.
But no, it is so much fun to go traveling and see different things and do different things. We ended up at a place, I think it was one of the Rothschilds.
But for some, it's starting to become everybody's.
I'm gonna say it's the Rothschild. It may have been someone else, but her father left all of the money to her, and it was unusual for wealth to be passed to girls. So she bought this beautiful place. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. It's in the middle of nowhere. I want to say it's on the French Riviera, but it is so gorgeous. And walking through her yard, the
Guilty.
park, it's just
Bench
beautiful.
trial, guilty. And
I'll take any.
not guilty.
Yeah.
And then we're like, oh my God. And the judge was wanted to go to trial last week. I'm like, Judge, we went 5 trials with no break.
They said we have a trial every week. I doubt that. But Sean, are we in trial every week?
And this one ran all week
Yes, you are.
till Tuesday. And the only reason we didn't continue was because everybody was really tired that day. And then Fiesta, let me tell you. And she
She
gave us
will never
Fiesta.
let that go.
Let me tell you, this year she gave us Fiesta because the year before that one and the year before that one, we were in trial. She was out gone visiting mom. And we were here. And I told her, hold on, I'm getting there. We were like those kids during winter when all the kids are playing with the snowballs, and we were the kids inside the house looking at the kids having fun. That was us. Everybody's out having Fiesta activities, and we were in here doing trial.
Safer
Okay.
though.
But you know what? Here's the thing about that. Who knows what could have happened? I saved some lives that day.
On SAPD reports, they have a whole thing if it's Fiesta related. Like, it's
Saved lives that day. That's not even appreciated.
Till there, you see, guilty 8 years. You see,
But my mom was saying, Stephanie, why did you do that to them? I'm like, I'm sorry, Mom.
offer 20 case dismissed. I'm sorry to see. I read, and then, so for Valentine's Day, don't make any plans because we'll probably be in trial. We've been in trial for the last 3 years for Valentine's Day, and this is my proof. We have Mejia almost getting divorced, looking for flowers at the last minute.
Okay, no. So here's the thing. I hate to put Deputy Mejia on blast, but he always waits to the last minute.
to get the flowers.
Yeah, I did offer him these flowers.
He did, she did. So
All right. So the court is going to call 2025 CR 001824 State versus William Barnes. Can I have parties announced?
Opinion for the state of Texas.
Mr. Barnes?
Alfonso Otero on behalf of Mr. Barnes.
And are you Mr. Barnes? State, the jury's outside. Are you ready to proceed?
We are not, Your Honor, so we'll be announcing dismissals to both cases. I will fill these out and provide these to the court.
All right. Any objections to the dismissals?
No, Judge.
All right. So they're going to dismiss your case.
Yes, Your Honor.
So you should be released today. They'll probably release you today at midnight. I have no control over when you're released from custody. They're dismissing their case. What's the reason, counsel?
Missing victim, Your Honor.
All right, so the witness is missing. So they're not saying they're dismissing it because they don't think there was enough evidence. They're saying that the witness is missing. So my suggestion to you, should you choose to follow it, you need to have no contact with that person. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, and then there is, let me see if there's anything else. I think these are on the only 2 cases. Is that correct?
That's correct, Judge.
All right. So once I receive the dismissals, the court will sign them.
Okay. And I caught fish.
I'm sorry, what?
We caught a lot of fish.
Oh, what did you catch?
We get a lot of the red snappers.
Oh, where are the photos? Because if it's not in photos, it didn't happen.
Okay, we're on the record, right?
Oh, yes, we're off the record now.
Yeah. And we caught also a storm.
A what?
Storm.
Oh,
We
okay.
were gonna fish more and then the storm came in and they were like,
Okay.
8 to 10 feet waves, and we were like 70 miles out. Yeah,
Yeah, can you see where John Henrik Sandheinrich is?
Oh,
Let's
yeah.
see if he can come here. Oh my gosh. Okay, did you all really catch these, or somebody
did.
else caught them and you just said, hey, let us do a quick photo?
I have videos of me, but they're not on my phone.
Okay. Oh, they look very tasty.
It was. We had some last night.
Oh, wow.
The ceviche.
See, you know what? But not everybody can make that very well.
Oh,
Hi.
huh, that's my second turn.
It's
Yeah.
probably too late to appoint me to the case too, right?
Yeah. See? I would have.
Yeah, see, this is the ceviche.
Oh, okay. Now I can tell that is good.
Yeah.
That looks great.
It
I
was.
love mine with shrimp, and sometimes they'll do it with some crab for me.
Yeah.
I'm trying to think. There is someone who did it once. I can't remember the restaurant. And I love the way the tartness, of the ingredients are. But one time somebody just did too much. I'm like, this ceviche, you're doing too much.
Have you been to Leche de Tigre?
No.
If you like ceviche, that's the best place in town. And this is Peruvian ceviche.
Ah,
So
okay.
if you think the Mexican ceviche is good,
Mhm.
the Peruvian blows them out of the water.
Okay, and what's the name of the place?
Leche de Tigre.
How do you spell it?
Leche,
Oh.
like milk.
Okay, I know that. What,
The
and the
tigre.
last one?
Tigre, tiger.
Oh,
Leche de Tigre. It's right there, but
That's a big restaurant. Downtown?
yeah.
Yes, that's a big restaurant.
and where is it located?
Southtown, you know where La Tuna is?
Oh, yes.
Right by La Tuna.
I'm gonna have to look into that.
It's very good.
Right. Oh, and you have someone else here. You have Tammy Franks,
Oh,
and she's charged with evading arrest detention with a vehicle.
I did, but I didn't have signal for the perfect with no one about it. So I just saw my emails last night.
All right, Deputy Lord, Deputy Mejia, whenever you're ready to take Mr. Barnes back, so he can be released at midnight, I think. Good luck to you. Yes,
Since that was the only kind of advanced case, may be excused.
yes.
Thank
Have a
you,
good
y'all.
one.
You too. We'll see you next week.
All righty, bye-bye. Yaya,
Yes, Judge.
can you call and counsel the jury?
Yes.
Sure. So the officers say.
Oh, sure.
I cannot say.
Requesting to cancel the dismissal. They want to say.
Oh, thank you.
Yes.
So you have for me.
This is your hider.
Hello, hello. Hi, what's going on?
Met on Saturday. and
Thank you.
Yes.
This morning.
Yes.
Still had time this morning?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Wait, do you want me to wait?
Oh, no, just. But for Sean, I love going to different events. So Friday, I went to the big event that they had at the stable at Pearl Parkway. which parking, oh my gosh, I had to find my parking space at night.
There's no
And
policy.
no, there isn't. Then on Saturday, I ended up going to Keita's Tea, and it's for young girls. They said they started it during the pandemic to make sure that young girls had some sort of outreach and everything. So I met her at the tea, and she said she works with veterans for mental health, and we can use them for other resources, maybe trying to find housing and other things for veterans.
We've been working with veterans treatment courts
Yes.
since they started. And we just met the judge last week. And so we're encouraging out to all the courts. We're like, let's start it.
All right, thank you. Oh, and do we have, is there any other documents in the back for me to sign? All right, thank you.
This one's already to our. Charges.
Oh, thank you. Where's this?
Would you allow me?
Can I?
I already have this.
This is,
I'll take care of it. Never gonna be my day, huh?
uh, Jenna Davila. All right, the last time the defendant was in the hospital, so we need to see what's going on. Good morning. How's it going? You're back.
Yes. Very interesting that we're here.
Oh, what was happening at the career fair?
Well, we were going, so it's just anything
Mhm.
for y'all's.
Mhm.
But it also includes two rows and one else, and we're looking more for people that are in the process of trying to.
Mhm.
Got some interest from a lot of like one that are going to the
Mhm.
So it was interesting, but I feel like the demographic that was for the career fair was not really interested in public service. Yeah. So. but
So
it
where
was
did you guys go?
To jobs, to ask me.
Okay.
Yeah. And it included like Walker or law schools for Houston, LSU was there. And then, yeah, so. But it was nice to see that at least a handful of students are still interested in public service and prosecution specifically. And then,
Oh, well, that's fun. So for the fun time, what did you guys do? Yeah. Nothing that can be discussed.
So, yeah.
Well, they need to have more than one person, but I always, sometimes I will take time just for myself, and people are like, how can you do that by yourself? I'm like, it's easy.
Yeah.
Like I'll go to a restaurant sometime by myself. They're like, doesn't it feel odd? I'm like, no, it feels great.
No, I went to a church one time
Mhm.
and I was going into the Sunday school class. And this man walks up and says, "Are you alone?" Yes, I am. It's a singles class. I'm alone.
Now, you know what you should have told him? No, I'm not alone at this single class. But I don't know why. I want to go see How to Train Your Dragon. I may just have to do it.
You have to get the dragon shaped popcorn bucket.
Yes. All right, have a good one.
Yeah, no, I get it. You want to see me get covered? In my past. It's, all right, soon. Bye. Thank you, bud. Y'all gonna let- Can I see it?
Yes.
And does anybody have John Michael Sandhydrick's number?
I do, Judge, and I texted him that you were looking for it.
All right, thank you so much.
He hasn't responded to my text either.
Okay.
It's so funny. Like, no, you're never gonna let that go. The trauma.
Oh, I'm telling you. Yeah, he's like, I mean, what's there not to love about liver smothered with onions?
Yum, yum.
Hello.
Just wanted to say hi, I watch your show all the time.
Oh, hello. Hi.
I go through withdrawal periods, by the way. You do an excellent job though.
Hi. So, oh, thank you so much. So, where are you from?
I'm from Northern Virginia, but I live in San Antonio.
All right. Well,
I got a court hearing down here.
okay. Well, I believe in 100% transparency.
Yes.
I think everyone should know what's happening in legal cases, and hopefully it'll help young people, stay on the right path.
Yes, and as a matter of fact, I got some motivation from you as far as how I should mostly deal with my own situation.
Mm-hmm.
Because I'm a veteran.
Ah.
One of the things you said was, you had a veteran in here, and you said, you'll get through it, it's just like boot camp.
Oh, yeah, it is. Hey, but we just had some lady here. They went to the 437, but you can ask your attorney about Veterans Treatment Court
Yeah,
and ask them about the services that she will offer for mental health, housing, and everything.
I'm good with those,
All right,
after the VA about 36 years, but
awesome.
now,
Well, hey, thanks for dressing appropriately for
well, I
court.
think that too. Got a lot for watching you, trust me.
All right.
All right,
Well, good luck. Have a great one.
Yeah, you too. Nice to meet you. My name is Donnell Jones, by the way, but it's very nice to meet you. I'll be watching you when I get home.
All right. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
You know what they asked me downstairs? They asked me what season are we in?
What's what?
What season are we in your show?
No. The reality, true reality, unscripted, right?
I think
Oh, you're so awesome. You know, I always say that if someone is looking great, you need to let them know.
I appreciate that. May I come up?
Yes.
How are you?
All right. How's it going?
Pretty good.
I'm so glad. You know, I love when guys are doing more than just the navy and red tie.
You know, I saw.
So
this
that
one,
looks
I thought it
great.
was a Nice pop color.
Yeah, it's awesome.
How's everything been going?
Good. I can't complain.
Good, good.
Yeah.
Do you think we could have a chance to speak privately?
Sure.
If you have the chance, I'm busy.
Oh, no, no, no. All right, everyone. I will be back in 5 minutes.
These two,
Mhm.
you just wanted, this we have no objection to.
Okay.
And then on this one.
Oh, I always do this. Let me. Okay, and then the next one, I sent an email to the pretrial services. They say that he's in contact with his bondsman, but he doesn't contact them and won't.
I don't know if you just want to bring it in next week.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll have Norma set it on the docket.
Okay. Thank you.
Miss Franks, we're ready to make an announcement.
Okay, please come forward. You're here on Miss Franks. Oh, and oh, come forward, Miss Franks. How are you doing? Right. You're always dressed appropriately for court. I really do appreciate that. All right, so what is happening with this case?
Well, Judge, there's been an offer extended to us. The defendant has rejected that offer, wants a jury trial.
All right, do y'all want to do a jury trial today? Look at Cindy. She's like, no.
Today
Yeah.
it wouldn't be the best, but in the near future, we can get prepared whenever.
No, that's fine.
Yeah.
Yeah,
they
I
would-
understand. I know you all are not up for trial today. And Deputy Laura's like, no. Because we're always in trial. Let me see. So do you have all your discovery?
I think so, Judge, yes.
All right, so Ms.
We
Franks.
talked about a video that the state has expressed. I mean, they have tried to get it, and the answer by the officer is that there's no such a video. So if there's no such a video, there's no such a video.
All right. So, Ms. Franks, you can do a jury trial or a bench trial. Of course, the state has to agree to the bench trial. But what I can tell you, if you come to me for a bench trial, if the state proves their case beyond a reasonable doubt, I'm going to find you guilty. If they don't, I'm going to find you not guilty. So do you want a bench trial or a jury trial? Yes, I'll let you all confer on that. Okay, thank you. touch with John Sanheindrick.
Judge.
Oh, yes.
Did message me saying he is taking care of a matter in the 227th and will be over directly.
All right, thank you. And can you let him know that on Jenna Davila, the last time he was here on her, she had a doctor's excuse to see if that's still the case.
Judge.
All right, so do y'all want a bench trial or jury trial?
A jury trial, Judge.
All right, so then what we'll do, Ms. Franks, if you'll have a seat, and if you all can confer with the coordinator and they'll see where we can fit you all in for jury trial. Thank you. All right, Deputy Laura, we are done for today.
Woo-hoo. I'm surprised. I was gonna take this. This is a day I was gonna stay on the beach.
Yeah.
And they came and, oh,
Uh,
all right, I can
well,
go home.
I saw him at an event I went to
Oh,
on
with
Friday.
Beto?
Yeah, and he said he was going to a jury trial with you. I'm like, great. Oh, how long do y'all expect this trial to last? Hey, come forward. Hi.
I think.
Not even 2 days.
Nah, I
Punishment
think.
included. If
So let me ask you guys, come forward with Alfonso. So if we were to do a jury selection in the morning on Wednesday, not next week, I'm just saying on a Wednesday, and start testimony in the afternoon.
we could be done by Friday.
Okay.
Yeah, I think so, because I don't think, you just have like 2 witnesses, right?
Yeah.
That's it. And we don't have any witnesses.
All right. And then you know, if she were found guilty, would you be going to the jury or the court for
I haven't
punishment?
talked to her about, but I'm expecting the jury judge.
All right. So Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
jury trial for them 2 days. That's not including jury selection. No, I mean, we'll select the jury then on Tuesday. They have all day when Deputy Lawyer's like, it's gonna be 3. Okay, I think it's gonna be 2.
I count deliberations.
Oh, you count deliberations, okay.
Because everybody has to be done.
Yeah. And Norma, if you can set it on one of the dates that we have one of the murder cases, because maybe the murder case is going to fall through. Sometimes people don't believe we're actually in trial.
I can do August.
That's Tuesday?
Yeah.
Yep, and we pick the jury on the Tuesday or we pick?
Yes, we'll pick
Wednesday?
it Tuesday afternoon,
Afternoon, okay.
1:30. And are there any motions that I need to hear in this case?
Probably not, Judge, but if there are, I'll file it way before and I talk to Norma about it.
Okay, great. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you.
Perfect.
Okay, and Deputy Laura, I woke up this morning, there was ice on my outside AC thing.
You know, that means breathing is probably gonna, you need to check the Freon, you know this, right?
Yes. I'm gonna get the free unchecked.
Yes, because
Like
like,
today.
like quick, because then you're gonna be without an AC and it's gonna be really hot.
Checking it's blocked. You can have something in the line and so it'll freeze it.
Did you turn it off before you left home?
Well, I put it on 78. Because I had to put it last night, I had to go to 74.
Well,
Well, yeah, it is. Okay, Vashawn, if you knew me, it was okay. So my brothers and my mom came down to visit me one year. And my brothers are so hilarious. They're like, Stephanie up here having us sleeping with our hands in our pockets because she has it too cold. So usually I honestly, it wouldn't, I would have mine on like 69 and I would feel nice.
I like it.
That's my grandson.
And do you know when we had the big snow, I still had my AC on. Because I mean, I don't know if I was having hot flashes or what, but it was hot. And then I really didn't want to open my window because you know how you open windows? It's not like when I was growing up. When I was growing up, you can open a window, you have great breeze. And because my house is newer, you don't get the cross drafts. I mean, they have that house sealed tight, right? And then when you open your window, you just smell dog poop coming from different places and everything, and it just doesn't smell fresh and good.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye. Have a good one. It's not smelling great. And that was when I would have my jasmine and everything in the backyard. My next door neighbor, she said, we would sit underneath your tree because my tree was so big it would point to the back.
Yeah.
I had my jasmine, my wisteria, and but now it doesn't, you open the back door. Mm-mm. But so I have finally started being able to set my body temperature mentally where I'm okay with putting the temperature at 76. Sometimes I have it at 78 when I'm in the house. I'm like, oh my gosh, what was I thinking putting it at 69? But I'm getting there.
a lot has to do with what you're wearing inside the house.
Oh, I'm just wearing regular sleepwear.
My house is always at 76.
Mhm.
But I'm always like at home with a tank top with shorts inside the house. Yes. A lot has to do with what you're
Michelle,
wearing.
thank you. I don't know what she's talking about. 76. And you're wearing just a tank top and shorts?
It feels good. It feels good.
See, I don't do the tank top and shorts because sometimes I'll hear something and I have to go outside.
You have to go outside, Jed.
That's what my neighbors say.
You do not have to go outside. This is what happens. The story of Stephanie Boyd, why she walked outside and she had.
There was a noise outside.
Okay, let me just tell you, I heard this weird noise outside, right? This has been years ago. And it was, I didn't know, bye-bye, Miss Franks, have a good day. I didn't realize what it was. At first it sounded like a child crying. It was like, meow, meow. Okay, it's a cat, right? I didn't know that. Well, no, the mating cats sound differently. It's like, right? So I go outside and it's super dark. So my neighbor is always keeping out me and so out for me. So they're like, Stephanie, what are you doing outside? I'm like, I heard a noise. They're like, and what are you gonna do? So the guys come in my backyard. They're like, Stephanie, it's just a cat. I'm like, oh. But my neighbors, I have some of the best neighbors. So anyway, my next door neighbors put up lights. So if anybody comes in my backyard, it's like,
That's
yes,
awesome.
on the side of the house. So they really watch out for me.
That's good, Judge.
Yeah. I made my mom always would pray. She's like, I just pray that you find family wherever you go, brothers and sisters. And so that's what has happened.
Judge, do you know this grade somewhere?
Yes, you know what? Do you want to put it out? Let's make a copy. Let me see, one for that door when you come in here, one on our door. Oh, you know what? We can ask, Norma, can you ask Anna Amici if they have the ability to make a copy of that? Awesome.
Color copy.
Yes. All right, guys, on Jenna Davila. This is the information I had.
This was just given to us by Ms. Ferguson as well. We're checking it out.
So if y'all want to see what you want to do with it, and then what I'm going to do, Norma,
Yeah.
I'm just going to set her state, if you have no objections based upon what I'm seeing in that report, I'm just going to set her. Norma, you want to state, are you okay with doing this in January, maybe?
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson,
Yes, ma'am.
if I can have a January setting for her, please, just do it late January.
Like January 26th.
All right. And if you'll let him know that we'll put it for the 26th of January. And if anything changes, we can extend that for them.
Judge, will that setting be a plea deadline hearing?
No, it's just, we'll just put it as a discovery setting.
Yes.
I don't want, with her medical issues, I'm hoping she can concentrate on that. And she's military.
Judge, may I return this to you?
Yes. All right, thank you. Hello, how's it going?
Like the Bermuda Triangle in
Yeah,
here.
we were waiting for you.
Like, where is everybody?
Well, we were supposed to be in a jury trial today, but the state's witness did not show.
That's
Yes.
on occasion it happens.
Mhm.
Who would like to approach with me? How are you, Judge?
All right, how's it going?
It's going right.
Oh, just give me 2
Yes, ask
seconds.
for it.
I want to make sure I put this in the system.
Duffy, when did you come back to the real world?
Today.
Nice.
Oh, we are so lucky to have him.
Thank you, Judge. What's your hubby up to?
He blew out his back and his knee, so he is at home.
I can't even imagine
It's
the back.
terrible.
It's the back that gets you every time.
Yeah, it is. You're completely correct.
Did it happen at the same time? Like a fall?
Well, no, he blew out his back and then got all twisted like a little old crooked man and then put all too much pressure on the knee and then he went, oh, I don't think so. I don't think I'll be tolerating this.
Give him our best, please.
I will.
That's that. All right, who are you here for?
So not on today's docket.
Okay.
And
I love when things are taken care of beforehand.
well, I wanted to give the court a little bit of a heads up on this case.
I hate when we have heads up. 'Cause that-
It
I
is.
just joke. No, I'm fine with it.
It is an unusual charge. It's a terroristic threat of like a governmental body.
Okay.
So It involves a civil lawyer taping a conversation with his client and a threat made to preside. So I will be doing extensive research.
Oh, yes.
And
what level felony is this?
just a third, I believe.
Okay.
So you can do whatever and I'll let you know if there's additional, but I just wanted to give you guys the heads up. It's a little unusual.
Okay. And did you know that you cannot smoke cigarettes in parks? It's illegal.
No, I didn't know that. Is
See,
it just Bear County or is that?
I don't know, but I know here you can't do it.
Okay.
So we had a case in this court, which, you know, I read everything.
Yes.
And so the stipulations are turned into me and I'm reading it. And it starts with the officer pulling out his binoculars. And then I'm
Standard
wondering,
issued equipment?
that's, okay, you and I are the same link. That's what I asked. I was asking,
Or is
like,
that-
this standard issue? And so then he sees the guy in the park smoking a cigarette. Yes. And then he goes to investigate and it turns into something else. I'm like, I had no idea. So I'm asking everybody, I'm like, excuse me, attorneys, I don't know every single law there is to know. Are you not allowed to smoke cigarettes in the park? And so defense was like, I believe. I'm like, I don't want any beliefs. I want to see. Okay, you cannot smoke. You can smoke a turkey, but not a cigarette.
So there's actual ordinance preventing that activity in a public park.
And then if somebody has binoculars, I'm like, okay,
Good to know.
yeah, I had no idea. I love your pen.
Thank you. Okay, I will keep the court and everyone apprised.
In your case, was anybody smoking a cigarette in the park?
Nobody's smoking a cigarette.
Okay, you're welcome.
Is that all for today?
That is it for today.